Good morning, I'm Linu Conil, and this is 6 Minutes of Silence. This isn't a usual episode. There's no news today, no tool, no recipe, just one poem and the woman it's written for. My mother, Mary Ann, was the headmistress of Cotton Hill Girls High School here in Trivandrum, a chemistry teacher at one of the largest schools in the country, and, to me, simply the anchor that held everything else in place. Everything I know how to do with my hands, I learned watching hers, cooking, sewing, praying, talking to people with patience. She was the one person I could bring anything to, any question, any trouble, and she'd listen all the way through before she ever spoke. She passed away on April 25th, 2020, during the lockdown. It's been almost 6 years now, and I want to be honest with you, I still haven't gotten over it. I don't think that ache ever fully closes. Nobody else can stand exactly where she stood. I wrote this poem for her. It's the first poem in my book, 50 Rooms of Silence, and it was also turned into a song recently called First Lady of Our House. You'll find the link in the show notes if you'd like to hear it too. This is for you, Mummy. The poem is titled Mummy Dear, My Strength, My Pillar. The original poem in the book was titled Ode to My First Lady, A Son's Farewell. Mummy dear, my strength, my pillar, I miss you so much. As you always used to say, you'll only miss me after my death. Her prophecy happened sooner than later. I miss your caress on my forehead. I miss our quarrels and the sorries afterward. I miss our ramblings. I miss our cooking conquests. Tears roll down my cheeks as I think about you, your lovely and motherly face, where we can see all emotions under the glasses. I can still see her praying at night, between bouts of sleep and the thud of the prayer book falling from her hands. She prayed for all of us throughout the night. She gave us up into the 5 wounds of Christ to protect us, Chachan, and us 4 sons who were her pride all the time. I miss the spicy aroma of her famed beef roast and pickles. I miss the sweet aroma of her cakes, payasam, diamond cuts et al. I miss her counsel whenever I run to her with grief for guidance. The gentle caress of her voice would heal us all. With a heart so heavy, this is an ode to you, Mummy dear, the first lady of our house, bidding you sweet adieu. I know you are in our Lord's hands, with Our Lady, the Trinity, and all the saints, where you rightfully belong. When you were in the coffin lying in front of us, you looked so serene and peaceful, but I wasn't ready to let go. That was Mummy Dear, My Strength, My Pillar, from Ode to My First Lady, A Son's Farewell. Thank you for sitting with me through this one. Same room, different door.